Alright, you see like you now come up, you see like you now come up. Wait, DH gate. Let me take the picture of this. I'll dress here. Like why you now come up. Miss up there come up. $59 for the dress. See dress here. And she has to the dress $500. $59 for the blood clot dress. $59 for the dress. $59 for the dress, people. $59. Outstanding, me come off from my page, yeah. $59 for the dress, guys. And she has the dress $500. $59 blood clot. Let me tell you a lie. I eat me say me pay for see the blood clot dress. I can't try the dress right now. See the blood clot dress, yeah. When we put on the dress fabulous, palm me love. See the blood clot dress, yeah, me love. Remember me know about shopness and ears. Me a shop on a long time. Me a blood clot shop. And you forget a life dirty woman. You not get no sale over blood clot TikTok. You not get no sale over, yeah. Let me show you the bag what she a sell now. That bag, yeah. We much tozo. Let me show you that bag where she a sell now. This. I'm going to show you that bag where she a sell. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Let me show you that bag where she a sell. Let me show you that bag where she a sell. Look here. Look on that purse where she a sell. I'm going to show you on her Instagram then. Look on this where she a sell. For $300. Look on that where she a sell. $200. Look here. Look here. When you go on AliExpress, press the scan. The scan me on AliExpress. Look here. That gets my blood clot argument. You don't know me tarnish on blood clot out here. Look here. See it here? $45. $45. See the same bag here on our page. See the same bag on our Instagram. Destiny. See the same blood clot bag here. You wanna know? You wanna know? What kind of business? She's a thief. You don't run business stuff. You can't buy a bag for $15, come sell it for $300, for $500. You're too raw, Steve. $150 no, and no brand. You can't buy a bag for $15, come sell it for $500, and it's not brand. You're a thief. You're a thief. And them a work a thief, black people. Them a work a thief, black people. If it's Chinese people, them not sell it for so. You can't buy one bag for $15, and come sell it for $500, and $400 is a thief. You understand me? You come and you sell it back for $200 or $150. That's unfair. You can't buy a bag for $15 and come sell it for $500. And it's not a real bag. It's not real. You